There exist in this world machines that cost as much as a small island in the Philippines. Their designs have been described as marvelous wonders in the engineering field, so sophisticated in their work, just as the price tags leave customers dumbfounded. This video will take you on a jolly ride of wonders as we explore 20 heavy machines with mind-blowing price tags. Number 16. Deep Sea Challenger Submersible. The Deep Sea Challenger Submersible has a price tag of 10 million USD, a figure large enough to take your breath away, literally. It is a sea explorer that has traveled through the depths of what other submersibles haven't dared to do. Going down the Earth's deepest point, the Mariana Trench, this machine had to withstand a pressure of 8 tons per square inch to bring back valuable data from depths of the ocean. It's such an impressive feat, to say the least. 14. Latorno L2350 Wheel Loader. Next, we focus on the Latorno L2350 Wheel Loader, the king of the loading machines. It can lift a weight of 80,000 pounds with its bucket, which is very impressive and has often been said to be a go-to for many mining operations on site. It is responsible for shaping many landscapes and aiding in discoveries so many valuable resources within the Earth. Such convenience, however, doesn't come cheap, as the price for this titan is up to 1.5 million USD, which is relatively a fair price to sacrifice for something that has built so many skyscrapers and worked in many mines. 1. HAM 3412HT V10 Soil Compactor. To begin our list is the HAM 3412HT V10 Soil Compactor, regarded as a savior of construction sites without many even knowing about it. It turns uneven terrains into smooth and compact surfaces ready for structures to be built upon. With the technology adapting vibration and oscillation on the surface, there is no soil type this machine can't make leveled. Think of it as the cannonbolt of machinery that sets the groundwork for other projects on the site. Being such an amazing machine, the price tag has been set to $52,000. 15. Belaz 75710 Dump Truck. When soil materials are dug, the transportation of the dugout material is important, and just like others mentioned on this list, the Belaz 75710 plays this role. It is a game changer in mining transportation, with its efficiency and sheer power being in a league of its own in large-scale operations. It has a price tag that ranges from 6 to 7.5 million USD. Wow! Such a humongous figure can only be spent by those who are serious about mining on a large scale. Their investments wouldn't go to waste, and profit would only leave users yearning for more, as it is beyond what may be an average earning figure. Number 2. Girder Bridge Transporter. Many high construction level modern infrastructures have been built using this machine, as it is an unsung hero in the field. Those massive bridge sections you may have seen on the road when driving through were constructed by this machine, making it a modern wonder in construction works. It has a price tag between $50,000 to $83,000, an impressive amount for this machine, which looks like a mobile crane and heavy-duty truck fused into one entity. Enough to give the Gogeta transformation a run for their money. 17. Manitowoc 31,000 Crawler Crane. With a max lifting capacity of 2,300 metric tons, the Manitowoc 31,000 is the king of heavy lifting. To put this into better perspective, it is like picking up over 300 elephants at a go. That's a game changer for construction and heavy lifting practices. With a price of 30 million USD, the Manitowoc 31,000 proves to be another impressive investment opportunity for those willing to be way ahead of their competitors. Number 3. Caterpillar D6T Bulldozer. The D6T Bulldozer is a monster in the field of construction activities. It weighs over 20 tons and is the first machine rolled to most construction sites to clear the way for the following activities. It has a fully optimized engine which reduces fuel consumption and makes work very efficient. Not only acting as a digger, the D6T can also move soil material of 90 cubic yards per hour. Manufactured by Caterpillar, a leading hand in heavy machine design and mechanics, the D6T costs between $109,000 to $185,000. 18. Bagger 288. Holding the record for the heaviest land vehicle, the Bagger 288 is slated to cost 100 million USD. It was built at a weight of 13,500 tons and can move an impressive 240,000 tons of dirt and soil material daily. Figures such as these are so mind-blowing when you really think about them. 4. 2017 Vogel MT3021 Offset. The 2017 Vogel MT3021 Offset is a crawler asphalt transfer unit set at a price tag of $205,000, a fair price for the task this monster can carry out daily. Used primarily on road construction, the MT3021 comprises units that take asphalt from the supply truck and transfer it seamlessly to the paver. By doing this, time is saved, and there's more efficiency in the road construction work being done. Road constructions can be finished as quickly as a binge of the Harry Potter series on Netflix. La Princesse. La Princesse is the 7th wonder on our list. The French performance art company La Machine designed and operated this 15-meter mechanical spider, almost reassembling Dr. Octopus from the Spider-Man franchise. It was shown in Liverpool, England at the 2008 European Capital of Culture, an event which saw it travel the city from September 3 to September 7. Also, the following year, it was showcased in Yokohama, Japan at an event held for the 150th anniversary of the city's port opening. Francois de la Rosière, who also has a mechanical elephant and a giant girl, designed this mechanical spider as part of his works. The mechanical elephant and the giant girl were designed for Royal Deluxe's performance for the Sultan's elephant that visited London in 2006. The spider was built in France, and de la Rosière featured poplar wood, steel, and hydraulics with vast complexities to make this sophisticated machine that took him an entire year to build. It was then shipped to Merseyside, and its assembly was done in a secret location. This spider weighs 37 tons and has 50 axes of movement and needs up to 12 people. It has a top speed of 2 miles per hour, and for movement on the streets, 6 forklifts, 16 cranes, 8 cherry pickers, and 250 crews are required. Despite being built for entertainment purposes, one can't deny that this machine is quite impressive and sure deserves a spot on our list. Number 20. Bertha. Bertha is a tunnel boring machine that is priced at $233 million. That's a huge amount that isn't a shocker when you see what this machine is capable of. It is like an underground architect who changes the game of boring and tunneling operations by moving through the earth like a knife going through butter. The 500-meter aperture spherical radio telescope. Number 6 on our list is the 500-meter aperture spherical radio telescope. With an acronym FAST, this radio telescope is located in the Daodang Depression of China. It is a natural basin in Pingtung County holding this gigantic dish that is 500 meters in diameter. It has been regarded as the world's largest filled aperture radio telescope and the second largest single dish aperture. An active surface comprising 4,500 metal panels was utilized for its novel design, and these metal panels form a moving parabola shape that is evident in real time. A cabin containing the feed antenna that is suspended can move automatically with winches which steer it to receive signals. Its construction commenced in 2011, and by September 2016, FAST observed its first light. Its testing and commissioning took 3 years before it became operational on January 11, 2020. It consists of 500-meter diameter reflecting surface, focusing radio waves on a receiving antenna suspended at 140 meters from the surface. A reflector of an aluminum material having perforations is supported by a mesh of steel cables which hang from the rim. A total of 4450 triangular panels and 2,225 winches underneath make this remarkable structure, and they all work together for the fantastic performance of this radio telescope. 5. 2018 Worked Gen W2001 Crawler Cold Planer. This maestro in road renovation is used in chipping away road surfaces due for renovation and opening up new surfaces hidden beneath the rough. What makes it stand out, however, is how precise it does this work. Turning and milling at different lengths into the ground to chip the dirt away. Set at a price tag of $226,000 USD, this machine can leave the earth shaking with vibrations unlike anything that has ever been seen. Volvo A60H Articulated Dump Truck. Now, at number 6 on our list, we have the Volvo A60H Dump Truck, an essential machine in construction sites. Holding soil materials of up to 60 tons, this machine is designed with a 6-field drive that maximizes traction during its activities. With a Volvo tag, this machine has been built to last through the most brutal terrains. With advanced systems to monitor its movements, its price is slated at $300,000 to $1 million US. The P&H L2350 Wheel Loader. The P&H L2350 wheel loader was formerly known as the L2350 loader. This machine, manufactured by Komatsu Limited, is employed during surface mining works. It holds a Guinness record for the largest earth mover in the world, and its sheer size is a testament to such a feat, with a design that center loads haul trucks weighing up to 360 tons like they were paper. It also has a payload of 73 tons when in operation, a height of 7.03 meters, an operating weight of 266.62 tons, and a width of 3.5 meters. To be able to move such mega sizes of load, it has a 16-cylinder, 65-liter Detroit diesel 4-cycle turbocharged aftercooled engine, which can generate an enormous power reaching 2,300 horsepower. It also has a hydraulic lifting payload of 65 tons and a standard bucket size of 40.52 cubic meters. Its fuel tank can hold 3,974 liters, and another tank holds 1,230 liters of hydraulic oil. With an enormous size to be labeled the largest earth mover, gigantic tires that are 4 meters in diameter and 1.78 meters in width are employed. Its cost price was slated at $1.5 million in 2012. The second, Class Jaguar 980. Next is the Jaguar 980, which has a price tag of around $437,000 USD and above. It's a machine that finds use in farm harvesting activities, making it the best choice for most farmers who can purchase it. It speeds up harvesting processes so much, picking up seeds and stalks in the blink of an eye, thus making its users sit for supper in no time. Also, with its efficiency, acres of crops are turned into feed or biofuel so fast it's almost unbelievable. Talk about serving a multi-purpose. Using this monster feels like having a team of farmers working efficiently at your command. So, what's not to like? The Bloodhound LSR. The Bloodhound LSR is a land vehicle designed to set a new land speed record. Traveling at supersonic speeds that could leave Maverick shaking in his boots, this British land vehicle takes the shape of an arrow and has been at the stage of development since 2008. A jet engine is currently powering it, and in time will have an additional rocket engine added. As a first goal, this vehicle, already believed to achieve a speed of 1,609 km per hour, will be made to surpass the already set record of 1,228 km per hour. For this record attempt, the Huxkeen Pan in the Mere area of the Northern Cape in South Africa is used as the venue for all tests and speed record attempts due to its area of 19 km in length and 4.8 km in width. The first runs were done in October 2019, and other runs carried out in November of the same year saw a top speed of 1,011 km per hour, making it the 8th vehicle to see a land speed over 970 km per hour. It is an outstanding performance that feels unreal. If you're still with us on this fascinating ride, please support us by hitting the subscribe button. Let's head back to the video. 8. Komatsu PC-8000 Hydraulic Excavator. At number 8 is the Komatsu PC-8000 Hydraulic Excavator, a colossal machine in the mining industry. It is equipped with a 42 cubic yard bucket, which doesn't just dig but changes the excavation game. For optimum performance, it has been armed with hydraulics and electronics, which are very efficient during operation, excavating over 10,000 tons of soil material daily. That's soil material enough to build a whole mansion. Made by one of the leading hands in machine design, Komatsu, this machine has a starting price of 437,000 USD and can go up to the million range. It embodies raw power and size in the game of machinery. Number 9. John Deere S790 Combine Harvester. The John Deere S790 is like a Swiss Army knife for harvesting operations. It is a combine harvester that does the work of multiple farming machines with so much precision and accuracy, making it convenient for farmers. It uproots grain stalks and separates their grains in one smooth operation, highlighting its efficiency and power in the best way possible. With cutting-edge technology that's more capable than most, it's unsurprising that many farmers want this machine on their farms to ease their operations. With a price tag ranging from 500,000 to 609,000 USD, this isn't a surprise. Number 10. John Deere 9RX Series Tractor. The John Deere 9RX Series tractor machine is also of the John Deere series of devices and comprises 4 independent tracks. It has an engine revving up to 670 horsepower and a state-of-the-art GPS and data analyzer, which places it among the top contenders of modern machines for agricultural practices. It is very efficient, with a price tag of over 600,000 USD, and is mainly used by those involved in large-scale farming practices. With its enormous size, the 9RX series tractor can cover up to 800 acres of land in a day. It is an impressive feat that should be recognized. If you're still with us and your wallets aren't shaking in your parts, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell to see more of our videos. We are the Mighty Machine Masters. Number 11. Caterpillar 6090. At number 11, we have the Caterpillar 6090, another monster in the category of machines with a shovel and hydraulics. Finding use in mining operations, this machine has a bucket capacity of 90 tons and is designed to move rocks and soil materials one scoop at a time. Its advanced hydraulic system enables it to do work very efficiently and with so much precision. With a starting price of 650,000 USD, this machine must be assembled on site, as transporting it as a whole isn't easy. Number 12. Komatsu D575A 3SD Super Dozer. Komatsu D575A 3SD Super Dozer is a bulldozer worthy of its name as a super dozer due to its sheer size. Its blade is so big that it could house a small saloon car and can push soil material of 90 cubic yards in a single pass. Wow! It's also very much responsible for many mining operations that are done so swiftly. A listing for this model of the Komatsu Super Dozer is set at a price tag of $875,000. 13. Grove GMK 6300L All-Terrain Crane. The Grove GMK 6300L all-terrain crane is a titan that can reach a height of up to 263 feet, which is tall enough to reach over a 19-story building. It has a 7-section main boom and an all-wheel steering that is state-of-the-art, making it a versatile piece of machinery that can operate even in the most challenging environments. This crane can lift 350 tons of weight with much precision and control. With capabilities such as these, the starting price for this machine isn't a surprise to be tagged at 1.5 million USD. 19. NASA Crawler Transporter. The next part of the list is the NASA Transporter, which places massive rockets onto launch pads. It is a hero among heroes since it has played significant roles in many space missions at NASA. It weighs 6 million pounds and can carry more than 18 million pounds with a price exceeding 100 million US dollars. Antonov AN-225. The Antonov AN-225 was initially designed in the 1980s as a derivative from its predecessor, the AN-124 airlifter, and was a transporter of Buran-class orbiters. With only one of these monsters completed, the AN-225 embarked on its first maiden flight on December 21, 1988. After supporting the Soviet space program for a while, this airlifter was redesigned to suit the purpose of commercial operations as the century saw a new turn. It was found to be used at Antonov Airlines by carrying oversized payloads at the time. Despite a second frame being made, its completion was put on hold due to a lack of funding. As of 2009, the completion of the second frame was brought to 70% completion, according to records and data. Imagine such giants ruling the air side by side. Such a marvelous sight, right? But hopes have been cut short even for a chance of that happening, as the only completed AN-225 was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. This machine weighed 640 tons and held records for the largest aircraft built and largest wingspan for an aircraft. Diesel locomotives, wind turbine blades, and a 130-ton generator are used for its movement, characteristics that could only be found in a monster like this. With this, we've come to the end of this amazing video. If you're still intrigued, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to see more videos from us. Also, comment your thoughts on this video. We'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.